Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create custom web API in Magento 2. So let's start the tutorial. So here we are going to create the customer using the custom web API, the Magento standard API that we are going to create. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, this is the module structure, MSS API, and here we have this structure. In API, we are using this part, right? And first of all, we have to create etc di.xml where we tells the Magento about the logic. So here we have preferences, right? Which API we are going to use? Currently I'm using create customer management interface. And which type we are going to define? This model where all the logic is maintained. And the web.xml, here we are providing the route. Okay, so here if I go, whenever this is load, so it will generate this route with post method, and which service class we are going to use? API create custom, and function name is create custom. Here anonymous means that we are not passing the authentication to that route, right? So it will work on it. So if I go and check, you can see that there would be a post API, and if we one customer create, customer will create such like of this, right? So this is how we can create it in a Swagger form, and you can here try without the help of the postman, right? So this is part is done. After this, we have to move to the di.xml web api.xml. We have to move to the API we already discussed. Then we have the model where we have the create customer management.php. So we are going to open it, right? So here we have added the logic of how to create a customer, simple how to create a customer in Magento 2. So I'm writing this logic. Okay, so it will, if the account is activated, it will show the message, right? So now we are going to test this functionality. So here we are going to create an object from the postman and passing it first name, last name, email, password. Skype account is not required here, but you can take it. I have a custom field that we have to create. After that, we have first name, last name, password, and it will send a new account email. If I comment this one, so it will not going to send that account email. Look, and we will save this and we will return this message. Okay, so let's check it out. So let me go to my this one. I have created the object, so I'm going to add it like test. Where I'm going to put test. So this is how now it's executed. Your account has been activated successfully, right? That means it has done. So let's log in and check. So this is the email. So we are going to localhost check, sign in, sign in. You can see I'm logged in with that account. This is my account that we have generated. So see, with the help of the custom web API, we can create the customer and with the Magento standards. Okay. So you have any issue, just please write it down in the comment box so that I can resolve your issues. But please do like, share, and comment and subscribe my video so that I can put more videos on Magento 2 and other technologies also. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.